Welcome to the world of poultry farming. Deciding to venture into poultry farming is a significant step towards becoming an entrepreneur and contributing to the food industry. Poultry farming is a lucrative agribusiness that has the potential to yield substantial profits while providing a valuable source of protein to consumers. However, before you dive into this venture, it is essential to know a few things that will help you make informed decisions. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 things to know before you venture into poultry farming. 1. Understand poultry management. One of the most crucial things to know before starting your poultry farm is to understand poultry management. This includes the knowledge of poultry breeds, feeding practices, disease management, and more. You must have a basic understanding of the environment, habitat, and behavior of the birds to ensure they remain healthy and productive. This knowledge can be acquired through experience, research, or by involving an expert in poultry management. 2. Housing. Poultry require a specific amount of space, ventilation, lighting, and temperature to thrive. Before starting your poultry farm, ensure you have adequate housing that caters to the needs of your birds. The choice of housing may vary based on the breed and size of your flock. You must also ensure that the housing is cleaned regularly and free from pests to avoid diseases. 3. Marketing strategies. Before starting your poultry farm, you must have a solid marketing plan in place. You need to have connections to buyers and retail outlets where you can sell your produce. Contacting suppliers and importers for the procurement of feed and other necessary items should also be part of your marketing strategy. As with any other business, proper and adequate financial planning is critical for success in poultry farming. You need to calculate the estimated costs of production, including building expenses, feed expenses, labor, medication, and transport costs. Also, consider your expected income and prepare for potential risks and unfortunate circumstances such as disease outbreaks, weather changes, and price fluctuations. Make sure you have a well-laid-out business plan to run the farm. The plan should include a broader picture of what shape the business will take in the next 2 to 3 years. You need to write down your vision, objectives, poultry products, target demographic, and marketing strategy to adopt. There are 2 major advantages of making a well-thought-of poultry farming business plan. First, you will be on track while conducting your business as you will be proceeding as per the plan. That helps in treading the path confidently. The second advantage is that your cleverly chalked out business plan helps attract investors to your poultry farm business. Investors would like to scrutinize your plan before putting their money on your farm. In conclusion, starting a poultry farm requires significant effort, dedication, and hard work. However, with adequate preparation and planning, the results can be very rewarding. Understanding poultry management, ensuring adequate housing and water supply, developing sound marketing strategies, and proper financial planning are some of the important factors to consider before venturing into poultry farming. We hope this video has been helpful and wish you all the best in your journey as a poultry farmer. Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more educative content like this.